Welcome to this channel, and today we're gonna make this beautiful honeycomb web. Hi guys, subscribe if you're new here please, and let me know where you're watching from. Let's get started. In our bowl we are starting with 1 kilogram of flour. Make sure your flour is clean. Another bowl we add 1 cup of water, and we add 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can use any sugar. Then we add 1.5 tablespoon of active yeast, and we mix everything together. As you can see guys, please subscribe if you're new here, and let me know where exactly you're watching from. We set this one aside as we wait for it to rise. Back to our dry ingredients, we put 1 teaspoon of salt and then 1 cup of sugar because I want my bread to be sweet. And we mix everything together. Mix everything until it is well combined, and you put something in the middle so that you will put your wet ingredients. As you can see guys, my yeast was already doubled in size. That means it was active. That's the way how you can check your yeast whether it is active. I added 3 eggs, warm eggs, and then I mix everything together guys, as you can see. And then 1.5 cup of warm milk. Make sure your milk is warm. Then we mix everything together because we are going to put these ingredients together with our dry ingredients. As you can see guys, add everything together and you start mixing. Add a little bit of oil. It's optional. If you don't want, don't put. Then we mix everything and we are starting to make our dough here. Well cleaned hands, start making your dough with your own hands, and you add butter. You can put a half of butter. So you start kneading your dough, and please don't overdo it. Just make it at least 10 minutes. It will be enough. Be sticky like this to your hands, and that is enough already. So just put any vegetable oil you have on top, just on top, so that it will not get sticky into the bowl. Then after that, cover with your plastic, any plastic, and then your kitchen towel, and set it aside, and then it is raised. After that, as we are waiting our dough to be raised, get your egg yolk ready. And guys, after 30 minutes, you see my dough is already raised. Guys, as you can see, take out your air and then you start making your small balls, because we are going to make honey web. You can do these balls as big as you want, but for me I want this small because it's better small. So just do as I do. You can see guys, it's ready. Just cover your kitchen towel and wait for 20 minutes until it is raised again. So guys, as you can see, it is well raised. Then we're gonna apply our egg yolk, the one we set it aside. As you can see guys, it's done. Then we bring our sesame seeds and we sprinkle it on top. As you can see guys, that is so nice guys. It looks so mwah. Then this is the leftover from our dough, so I just decided to make one piece of bread. Oh my god, it looks so nice. And then I added also sesame seeds on top. And it's oven time. I put everything, guys, in the oven, as you can see, and I just waited. Please just let me know where you're watching from, guys. Subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I love you guys. Our bread, guys, is ready. As you can see, it's time for broiling. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Have you ever tasted this bread before? Just let me know in the comment section, please. So guys, it's time. Since it is ready, I'm gonna add my condensed milk. As you can see, guys, make sure you have your condensed milk ready. As you can see, guys, it's ready. It's time to serve. So beautiful. So I just added this grated coconut. As you can see, guys, it makes more beautiful taste. Thank you guys for watching. Just let me know how did you find my channel, and please subscribe, like, share to your friend. I love you. Bye.